Hello.
And welcome to Daft Ones.
Today we do something stupid. We eat hot sauce.
And chicken.
And chicken wings. So we went to Asda, and Asda's shit, they didn't have chicken wings.
Yeah.
So we've got breaded chicken.
They don't have any good chili peppers, so we got the sauces.
Yeah, we've literally brought out all the sauces that they have there.
We've got the milk.
We got the beer.
And we've got the water. Okay, first we start off. We have sriracha.
We have the flying goose sriracha. No clue how many Scoville scales they are. We're just assuming that we're going from mild to hot. We'll see what happens. Right then, my dear. Fucking get off. I'm doing it this way. Oh, yeah. We are not prepared.
There was a plastic on the bottle.
The plastic was still on the bottle. So that's how you know that it was still, it's not coming off. There we go. Right then, matey boy. Saucy. Give him one of these little ones. Woohoo, baby. Go on, Sam. Stab it on. Don't. Yes, boys. Hey, chin chin.
Chin chin.
Mild. Very mild.
Pretty much no spice.
No. No spice. A lot of flavour though.
It's tasty enough.
It's tasty. You like no spice but a bit of taste. There's some flying goose sauce there.
£3 Asda.
All the sauce actually costs a lot. Today we are sponsored by my bank account.
Shout out to Jack Boynton. You should be here. Instead you're having fun somewhere else.
Yeah. Fuck you, Jack.
Been there, done that. Oh, no. Right, this one is Red Hot by Frank.
Yeah, Frank's Red Hot Wings.
But Asda don't provide the wings.
No. Fuck you, Asda, again.
Tastes kind of soapy, I'm not gonna lie.
Why you didn't wait for me?
I'm waiting. Ooh. Come on, I'm not eating it yet.
Oh, good.
Chin
Ching
chin.
ching. This tastes kind of soapy.
It does. Not even spicy. So that was probably a bit more spicy than that.
Tastes grim. It's actually grim. I'm never using that again. I think I fucking put in the bin. I get in the bin with that one. Fuck it out. Never again. Frank's Red Hot Wings. You shit.
By the way, if anyone wants to sponsor us to get some actual fresh, good proper ones, we'll eat them no matter what you buy us. So.
Just buy us anything like hot and we'll eat it just for shits and gigs. This is how bored we've become in life.
Lockdown.
Lockdown boredom on your days off from work. If anybody asks, we are in a bubble together because I live all by my lonesome.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot to take that one off. Again, not prepared at all. The oven almost fucking burnt the house down as well. My oven shit.
Next we have
Cholula hot sauce original. All the way from Mexico.
Okay.
We will teach cows some Spanish.
Have a whiff.
Smells like hot sauce. Yes, I can smell the aromas of the peppers and the tomato.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
Very nice.
Oh, there's a wee bit of vinegar in there. Oh, help me, Mama. I can't even taste that.
Mm.
A little bit of that. I can't taste shit.
You didn't put hardly any on.
Don't.
It's not spicy, but it's very tasty. Oh, feeling a bit of an afterburn with that one.
To be fair, I remember when I was at uni, they used to have this the spoons.
Yeah.
My uni was built on top of spoons.
Mm.
And they used to nick it all the time. I used to steal so much from the spoons.
Shout out to Turtle Bay. We've both robbed one of your metal cocktail glasses.
True shit.
And both of us now use them as an ashtray.
Yep. Thank you for our ashtrays. Very expensive ashtrays as well.
Next up, we have the infamous Tabasco sauce.
Can't go wrong with a bit of Tabasco sauce.
Yeah.
Everybody's had it. Everybody loves it. I think.
Unless you're a pussy, though.
Jack.
Shout out to Jack Boyan.
Shout out to Jack Boyan again. Fuck you for not being here, bro. Miss you. Come back.
Too hard to get out of the bottle, though.
I'm not going to make the joke I was about to make. We are PG-13. Woohoo. Dripping. Yeah. Again,
Definitely a bit of a jump up from the last one.
the thing. Well, from the last one, yeah, I suppose.
Yeah. Manageable, though.
Yeah.
So that was the pepper sauce of the Tabasco.
Now we have Tabasco habanero sauce. Right, Kyle. I think this is where it's going to start getting a
Yeah.
bit hot. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just wiping my fingers.
Wiping your fingers.
Oh, dirty fucking fingers.
Dirty fucking boy. Disgusting. Fucking one of yous.
Right, I want you to put loads on. Split your chicken
Split my chicken.
so you can get more into the little crease in the chicken.
Oh, let me just slap it on like this. Slap the chicken. The chicken strips. Is that enough for you?
Mm.
I'm using the small ones so that later on, because the big ones have already got like the other sauces on them.
Yeah.
They've just been dripping on them. Slap it. Slap it, tap it. You know you want to tap it. Do we shut the back door?
I thought someone came in.
Me too. Yeah.
Imagine how much of a tit you look like if you're doing this challenge and then you get murdered. Someone just burgles your
I
house.
die happy. I'd have hot sauce in my mouth, so I'd be happy. That doesn't taste that nice.
It's good for the spiciness though.
It's got its kick to it, but it doesn't taste nice. Come on, it's got to have hot sauce. It's got to have it taste nice as well. Or is it just, what's the point in having hot sauce if it's just hot? I have some taste to it. Get the milk out already.
Yeah.
You feeling it?
Lactose-free milk, it doesn't count. Yeah, no, that was a bit spicy.
Yeah, it was lactose free. I'm sorry, I'm lactose intolerant. At least I didn't give you fucking almond milk or soya milk or some shit like that.
True.
At least I gave you some sort of milk. We are not here trying to advertise Amstel beer. It was just the cheapest one at Asda. It was actually cheaper than Carling and Foster's.
They don't know what they're talking about, do they?
Nope. Still it tastes better.
I think this one, it's the same pretty much. But you get more out of it.
Yeah, and it's Asda's own devilish habanero. Yeah, I want to save the big ones for the hottest ones. Let's get a little bit of that on. Ooh, that's a lie. That's a lie.
You dripped it all over her fingers.
Better to lick it up with.
You know what you should do? Just put it in your palm like that. Right. Ow! My finger slapped against the table.
I got hot sauce on my trousers.
Ah, it's so cold.
Oh, all over me. Oh no. If somebody would like to sponsor us, we can get a better camera. We don't have to use our phones. Oh shit, we're going to bring Jack, weren't we, in live stream next one?
Oh shit, yeah.
Sorry, Jack.
That one's tastes like shit.
Tastes like shit, it was really mild.
Yeah.
Um,
Extra hot, my ass.
I know. It has 4 chilies on it at the bottom. Asda, you're fucking shit.
Get your shit together.
Although I am starting to see a little bit now. Clearing out my nose. The sinuses are getting cleared out now.
So after this challenge, we're going to do a shot of the most strongest one.
Are we?
Yeah.
When was that planned?
Right, so now we're moving on to the big chilies, the big chicken, sorry, and the big chilies. Right.
I've got an idea.
What?
After we've done all this, we get one of our big ones, right? And we put all the different sauces on one big one.
Yeah, that sounds right, that.
Yeah.
Right, so I want you to do it like me now.
You can do it like you.
Right, put it in your palm.
Yeah.
And you can spread it all the way.
Spread it.
Oh, that's a lot of chili sauce. That's a lot of chili sauce, man. I wish I could show you, but...
You can show it. Oh, there's so much on your hands still. Is that enough for you, Kyle? That was running everywhere.
This is one.
Right, so.
You can see a little line of sweat there.
Got a little line of sweat. Oh, you do as well. You're sweating, bud. I'm a lady. I don't sweat. Ooh. Ooh, I got a kick to it now.
Yeah, but...
Ooh. Ooh.
We didn't introduce that one either.
What?
We didn't introduce that one either.
And corner. Extra hot pepper sauce. You okay?
Yes, ladies.
Feeling hot, hot, hot. Ding, 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 ding.
I did have quite a bit of that.
Yeah, no shit.
Milk.
You want to have some milk? He needs some milk.
Got milk.
You're sweating.
You passed it out though.
It's
At least
okay.
had double what you had.
I had the one you had. Yes, because I'm not going to fucking pour it all over my hands. I'm not an idiot. Do we need to let you calm down first before we have the last one?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Do you want my milk?
No.
Got some water there as well.
It's nice when the milk's there, but when you swallow it, it comes back.
I'm just waiting for it to like come out your nose or some shit.
Oh, I've been quite a bit picked now.
Alright, Cal, now you're in pain. I want you to recite your 7 times table.
2. 4.
7 times. Now I've had some beer, my tongue's burning more. That's not the idea, beer. Come on, let's have this last one. Right, so this one is the Encona Carolina Reaper sauce. Now, we're assuming this is going to be really hot because it's obviously kind of around the Reaper peppers. I think this one might kill Carol off.
It only has 8% chili in it though.
Does it? That's still enough to make fucking get a full chili pepper. 1% chili. Never know, I might have like 8 peppers in it. Let's say it's 8%. My nose is really running now.
Don't do drugs, kids. Do chili.
Do hot sauce.
Shout out to Hot Ones. for inspiring me to do this show with Faye today.
Thank you, hot ones. We'll try not to plagiarise you too much. We really like hot sauce and chicken. And we have fuck all else to do. Come on.
Nah, I want to work.
I only put loads on. Mate.
Go on.
What the
You got to down it. Look. It's absolutely covered.
Look at that. Can't even fucking get it.
I've not even calmed down. That's the last one yet.
Mate.
Lord Jesus, I want to shout out to you. If we die tonight,
Have a party waiting for us up in heaven.
yeah,
Or hell. How?
either. Depends which one's got the baddest bitches and the most weed. Right, I'm not cheating, am I, Faye?
No, he's got the same amount on. Oh, God.
Right.
If I die before I wake,
At least in heaven I can bake.
Ooh, shit! Oh, you. Come on, let's get it down.
It's quite tomatoey, isn't it?
Ching, ching. Oh.
Not bad enough.
That's quite nice.
Too sweet.
It's really sweet.
So, the Carolina Reaper, your disappointment.
You really disappointed. Oh, now it's kicking. Now it's kicking.
It takes a while, doesn't it?
It does.
It's like a slow burner.
It is a sub.
Where's that tissue gone?
I love how you place hogged all the tissues.
It doesn't hit until the back. Oh, yeah.
It hits the back of your throat. There you go.
Ah, well, actually.
I think we should get a close up of your sweat.
I'm all glittery.
That was just like a